There's always something that needs a little fixing on Far Point Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Far Point Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. I'm here tonight with a question for you. I did this years ago on my other channel, but I'm wondering if this is something you might be interested in watching. I have the ability to do live feeds right here from the shop. You know, I have a top-down camera and I have a secondary camera. And I was wondering if you guys would be interested in just having me occasionally on the weekends when I'm working out here. I've got an engine build I'm going to be doing. We're doing the Subaru swap on the bus. I'm still working on the Beetle. I've got maintenance on customer cars that I'll be doing. And so a lot of stuff that goes on here that just doesn't get filmed. A lot of times because I just don't have the time to stop and pull out the camera. But if I put the live feed on, would that be something that you would be interested in just popping in, saying hi, maybe watching a few minutes? We could chat for a while I work, and then you could be on your merry way, I guess. So I don't know how to do a poll, but I'm going to just leave it to the comment section below. Say yes or say no and tell me why you think either doing live feeds like that or not doing live feeds like that might interest you. Until next time, my friends.